Hey, are you looking to downsize but still need space for the van? Check this out. Hey, slow down. 3 metre high clearance, and she's deep, 16 metres deep. And check this out. The home features 4 bedrooms, multiple living areas, and polished timber floors. Now, if you're like me and you love nuts, check out this huge macadamia nut tree. Location is great, close to shops, schools, and public transport. So whether you're looking to downsize or get into the property market and you need space for your caravan, boat, or whatever you got, this could be the one for you.